Aperture refers to the size of the hole that lets light into your camera. A really big aperture will let lots of light into your camera. A really small aperture won't let much in at all. You'll see aperture referred to as an F number. This number refers to the ratio of the focal length to the effective aperture diameter. Being a ratio, the larger the hole, the smaller the number. With any given lens, there'll be a sweet spot in the aperture range. Wide open, sometimes it can be a little bit soft, and also closed right down, it can be a little bit soft as well. So it's worth going out and having a play with the camera and lens that you've got. When the aperture is really big, the depth of field is quite narrow. With a smaller aperture, this depth of field is a lot bigger. And this basically refers to what's in focus from front to back. When you look at a photograph, your eye is drawn to what's in focus. This is really useful when you want to control where the viewer is going to look. If you want to learn about how aperture, shutter speed and ISO all interact with each other, click on the eye in the corner to another of my videos. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, turn on notifications and head over to my channel. I have lots of different videos on photography. I'll see you next time.